Hello, everyone. Welcome back. 7 Days to Die. It is the middle of the night. We are here in our base, which is, to be honest, pretty poorly constructed. I'm gonna take these hop seeds that I don't have time to plant anything right now. And keep these two things. Sell the vitamins, keep the repair kit on us. In fact, yeah, that should be the ordering. Yeah. And then when it comes to be daytime, we go over to the dude, we trade in what we need, and then either by today or tomorrow, we'll decide whether we want to contact the company and see if we want to do this just straight up from scratch, which will take forever to do, and with many deaths, and I ain't got time for that. Or whether we'll contact the company, they'll make a prefab base for us. We'll get a wrench to salvage things, and basically the perfect setup in the fireplace, which is easier, faster, but also borderline cheaty. Takes a lot of the fun out of the game. So there's kind of pros and cons on both sides. And I haven't decided yet. I'll take the rest of the night tonight to decide, and maybe the rest of the episode, maybe. Yeah, now it's daytime. Still haven't decided. Too distracted. What were we doing? Oh, that's right. We need to go talk to Trader Man. Oh, before we go, actually, I should probably mark this place. Yeah, save waypoint. Oh, that's shared waypoint. Yeah, save waypoint. Yeah. Yeah. Now let's head over. We got one over to our right. Actually, ooh, lag. Past a bird nest. Now, for the life of me, can't find it. So we're just gonna forget that we saw it. Ah, another one. Grab us some of those. Oh, we can only make 3 arrows. Oh, because we're out of wood. Interesting. Oh, that's plant fiber. Get that out of here. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. I'm not much for carjacking, but bro's not going to be using this. Not that he would use it anyway, because there's absolutely fur call inside. Ooh. That's helpful. That's also kind of helpful. Search the farm truck. Murky water. We can do something with that later. Hey, Trader Rack.
Wipe that smirk off your face. Doing one job doesn't make us pals. Got it?
I'm cooking. Hey, listen. Fetch What's nearby? What's nearby? This guy?
I'm gonna
Yeah.
make you an off. Well, good luck. By the looks of it,
Oh.
you're gonna need it.
By
Money
the way.
talks, bullshit walks.
Oh yeah, I should put. There we go. There you go.
Ching! Thanks, buddy.
We're heading all the way over. Grilled corn and baked potato is the food we've unlocked. Excellent. Excellent. Well, of course it just starts freaking raining. Oh, there's a zombie there. Yeah, it definitely hurt us. Trailer lag. 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 What's with the lag? Lag. Ooh. Wear that. Tier 2 cap. Of some kind. Lag. You are cold. Yeah, I know I'm cold. Haha. Back to being able to collect that. Oh no, I'm cold. 'Cause it's flipping raining. Tier 1 fetch. Well, here, how about this? Oh crap. Ow. I gotta. Oh, frick. Me in the crap. Lag. Lag. Bleeding, use a bandage. Yep. I hate dogs because they require. I'm also now slow as Christmas. Ow. Oh, crap. I'm trying to kill this guy. And I'm dead. Alright, well, I'm back alive now. And why does it take so long to load a gun? And why do I get slow as Christmas when loading a gun? I mean, those are headshots. Like, that shouldn't take 3 shots, even with a tier 1. Also, why is it so dang cold? Bro, take the shot. Thank you. Now I only have 3 bullets left, and if I run into that dog again, I'm pretty much cooked. And I'm still slow as Christmas. And it's freaking cold. Yeah, I'm definitely calling the company. Definitely calling the company. What in the actual frick? Alright, I know it's gonna be freaking cold, but I need to make it to the trader again. Start a new mission. And or just call the company. Hopefully dude has a phone. You are cold. Wow. That quick. Boom. Hold. I have taken shelter now. Can you get off my screen? Ooh. Hey, look, it's this game. I'm not sure why that's up there. Iron arrow. I need feathers, yeah. Where? I have 7 points available. Alright. Alright, I need whatever the frickin' yeah, whatever the frickin' like insulation perk. Yeah, might as well. Pack mule. I still haven't seen the frickin' I still haven't seen the perk that lets me frickin' there usually is a perk that lets me be more resistant. Melee kills grant you 2 HP. Faster sprinting would definitely help. Pain tolerance. Fortitude master. Let me figure this out. Okay. I gave the company a call. They said they could manage this wrench and 2 more storage cubes and stuff for my fire, but I would have to provide
Morning.
everything.
If you try to say it's a good morning, there's the goddamn door.
Said they could provide some fuel for my fire pit with some, you know, the pot, the grill, the beaker to make it usable, a couple storage cubes, this thing, and a small vehicle to get to places, but I'd have to provide everything else, and I said that's fine. I'll figure it out. So right.
Listen up, jackass. You better not fuck this up, or I'll cut your goddamn throat.
Or maybe you could practice shutting up. Anyway, back home. I'll show you what I mean. They weren't able to promise much. They simply said, listen, we'll get a few things fixed. So they had the mini bike. They fixed this up a little bit, made this usable, and put storage crates in. And said you'll have to do everything else because the company's a little low on things. And I said, that's fine. It's really all I need anyway. They used to provide entirely prefabricated bases made of metal with fabrication, like tables with forges, fully stocked, a bunch of storage crates. They used to do that, but that was so many updates ago. That they for a while they downgraded to like, okay, we're gonna make a prefabricated wood base. Last time I had a prefabricated base made of steel was at least like before actually 1.0 almost. It's been a long time. I don't know how long. I have to look back at my videos. I have like almost 1,000 videos in this game. Alright, so I have 3 shots, 13 shots here, and if necessary, I want to kill stuff with my actual weapons, but if necessary, I can switch to this, And this can kill stuff with one shot, so. Ooh, army munitions box. Ah. Serrated blade. Not even sure. Yeah, definitely can't put that. That's helpful for when you have a knife, which as soon as I can get a knife, I definitely wanna. Please don't let there be a dog up here. Oh, there's just you. Okay. As soon as I can find some bones. Ooh, food pile. As soon as I can find some bones. Ooh, you know what? I can actually. Yep. Or I'll just miss entirely. Oh, that's a. Ooh, that's a headshot. Got one. Excellent. Okay, what? Anything in here? Old trash. Hey, look, my YouTube channel. Alright, I'm sorry. I keep making that same joke. It's not any more funny. Anyone? Nope. People usually hide in there. I know exactly what to do with that. And scrap that. Put that here. In fact, that should, yeah. Yeah, that's definitely be food. Alright. In fact, this is food. That should be in my hot bar. And there we are. Excellent. I'm going to use up my primitive arrows for now. Ooh, rifle parts. Very nice. Cabinet. Keep going. How long is it going to take you? He does 10 hits. It'll take him a minute to get in. Goldenrod key. Very nice. Actually, yeah, I can. And do with a little of that. Some coffee. Some food. Ah, wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Bone knife. Oh, I need 5. I'm sure there's more in here somewhere. Ah. There we go. And that I can put serrated edge on. And now it's actually useful. Oh, I forgot to search the microwave. Ooh. Excellent. If he gets in, I'll just let him get in. Nope, missed. Missed. Oh, that was a face shot. Dang. Alrighty. Does that open the back door as well? Oh, it does. Hey. Back of the head. Oh, there's one person alive in here. 2 people alive in here. Alright. I need to back up. Oh, it's one of these guys. These guys are really... What the hell? Those guys are really fast. Can I have my arrow back, please? Missed. Oh, and I'm out, too. That's okay. I have a knife. Got him. Yeah. Got some ammo here. Ooh, thank you. Medical supplies. Very nice. Trash. Wooden desk. And 2 nails. Foul trash. Hey, that's... Never mind. Ooh. Shotgun duckbill mod. Some more health. A knife that I already have. That should go here. This should go here. There we go. Alright, and I think... that should be everything. And now we head back to get our just reward. Actually, before we go, anything on this school bus? Anything at all? That could be useful for selling. Haha, we're out of here. Goodbye. Now before we bounce. Ooh, I forgot to open a box. I just remember I forgot to open a crate back there. Oops. That's fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. Alright, well, here we are. Hello.
Congratulations. Here's your reward, sucker.
I'll take the pipe bombs.
Take a look, buy some shit, and get the hell out.
Okay. Was already planning to. What do I have that I don't need? I don't know. Weapons. Stone crossbow bolts. Tools. Repair kits. Feathers. Can I have 21? Well, here, have the extra.
Oh, you want a guarantee, huh? Well, maybe you should try sham one.
And of course, the temperature's gonna drop. Take shelter, equip a torch. Yep, I'm on my way. Whew, alright. Getting warmer in here. Alright, tools. Let's put extra tools we don't need. Tools and weapons in here. Equipment in here. Keep the sand for now. Oh, I'm out of wood. That's fine. Here. There you go. I definitely need more wood. And wood goes there, I believe. Ooh. There we go. Upgrade that. Okay, now. Right. Water. Cook that up. Yes. Have a lot of extra food. Extra materials. Yeah. Keep the gunpowder. Definitely keep the gunpowder. I like that I have the knife. I have the gun. Better gun. Yeah. I mean, I have everything I really need for this first episode. So we're gonna go ahead and stop this episode. So thank you everyone for watching us, and tune in next time.